Story 1. The Prince and the Handmaid. A prince, while engaged on a hunting excursion, spied a fair maiden and by promises of gold introduced her to accompany him. After a time she fell sick, and the prince had her tended by diverse physicians, as, however, they all omitted to say, God willing, we will cure her. The treatment was of no avail, so the prince offered prayer, and in answer thereto, a physician was sent from heaven. He at once condemned his predecessor view of the case, and by a very skillful diagnosis, discovered that the real cause of the maiden's illness was her love for a certain goldsmith of Samarkand. In accordance with the physician's advice, the prince sent to Samarkand and fetched the goldsmith and married him to the lovesick maiden. And for 6 months the pair lived together in the utmost harmony and happiness. At the end of that period, the physician, by divine command, gave the goldsmith a poisonous draught, which caused his strength and beauty to decay, and he then lost favor with the maiden, and she was reunited to the king. The divine command was precisely similar to God's command to Abraham to slay his son Ismail, and to the act of the angel in slaying the servant of Moses, and is therefore beyond human criticism.